Hello everybody. So I'm pretty desperate to make a car wash video today, but there's one problem. I don't have any money to film any new car washes, so we're gonna have to settle for the place I have a subscription for now, Surfside. So if you're wondering what's been going on past few weeks, I actually filmed 2 different car washes. Now, unfortunately, those 2 car washes I filmed, both of the videos got corrupted. So now, so I couldn't upload them, and no one will see them ever again. They're gone forever. Something about my phone, just like 2 different videos, they both got corrupted. It's like, imagine filming a car wash you spent money on just for the video to get corrupted. How unfortunate. So, I'll say, in the meantime, because I want to get a video out, and because I don't have money to film any car washes, which is why I'm starting a Patreon. I'm kidding. I'm not doing that. But to make it interesting, what do you say I'll get the $12 premium wash? I'll use the touch-free system because it's way better than the soft touch. Ironically, at least in this place. Just so you can make it a little different. And if you're like me, you probably think that it's not such the greatest idea to put Simonized hot wax in your car multiple times, and you just want to get it without that. So let's go ahead and get this car washed.
Welcome. To purchase a car wash, make a wash selection and enter your method of payment. You have selected the Premium Car Wash. Please deposit $12. Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
And I will establish a new rule for myself. If I ever do revisit a car wash, the second time around, I will not talk during it at all. You'll see just the car wash. Well, before I do that, one thing I'd like to show you real quick. In a touch-free, a good way if you feel like cleaning your wipers, you could go like this. Just leave it like that. Then just put it back down before it's over. Okay. Also, I just like to say, how do some of you guys film car washes with your car off and you're just sitting there? Like, does it not get all stuffy in your car when you do that? I can't do it. Especially if it's a hot day, like here. Like, I mean, it's obviously not hot now, but it's usually hot in South Florida. And you can just like sit in an off car in the middle of your car wash? I don't think so. You guys gotta tell me how you do it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna head back home. And thank you so much for watching.